Oke, Maxim. Oh, sorry bro. Akhirnya kita sampai di Dreamland. Ini parkiran. Kita masih persiapan.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, you can explain what do you want? What do you do here?
We go to Dreamland Beach. It's a beautiful, nice beach.
Okay. You've been here before?
Yeah, two times.
No,
Two times. And I drink a big bintang.
Big
You know,
Bintang?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
This Noah.
Yep.
This Anna. From Bali. Noah.
Brother from another mother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so sorry. Oke, jadi saya masih lupa buka helm.
Why you bring me in this?
Yeah, because you also, bro.
I try to walk fast, you know.
Oke, jadi so
Okay.
where we go today?
So what do you want me to explain to you?
About this trip.
The street?
This trip.
No street. I buy the street last week. It's mine. I'm developing this.
Okay.
And
Fuck.
do my business here, you know.
And Marco, you want to explain something? Here.
Beautiful.
I see your face. Oh man. Hey, this better.
For me?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. You mean this one for me?
Inilah Dreamland. Akhirnya kita sampai setelah perjuangan dan perjalanan panjang ini. Oh, Maxim. Oh, di mana? Hotel, bro. Maybe hostel or something.
Yeah.
Oh, this
Really welcoming. Yeah.
Okay, beautiful beach.
With handsome boy.
Yes. With handsome boy. Waalaikumsalam. Halo. Oke. Jadi ini sangat indah, pantai yang sangat indah, pantai yang sangat indah. Hello.
You're a wonderful beach.
What the name of this beach?
Dreamland.
Dreamland.
Beach.
This first time you
Looks
come
like a
here?
Dreamland.
First time?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
And what's your name? I don't know you.
No, you don't know me. I thought I saw you anywhere.
Yeah, wait.